Hey, this is Ace Guzman. Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you in this quick tutorial with Guzman how to delete your unsubscribers the right way. A lot of times what happens when we actually open up autoresponder accounts, we forget that we have to clean up our list. So I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently get rid of all the unsubscribes, the deadbeats, the ones that don't open properly in Guzman. So obviously we have to go to the home page in the members area and log in. So I'm going to go and log in. Now, this is your main dashboard, okay? And at the very top, these are your menu options. Now, to actually clean up your list, okay, whether you have 1 list, 2 lists, 3 lists, or 4, you need to go to where it says audience. This is to indicate that is your audience. You need to go to that list. So we're going to click on the tab audience, and then you're given the option email list or segments. We're going to select email list, okay? Now, in email list, I have several different types of lists. Now, if I'm looking for my unsubscribes, let's say I'm going to work with my master list, okay? So let's say this is my master list, and I'm going to work with my master list. So I'm going to select over here the name of the list by clicking on it, okay? Not the box, clicking on the name. This will open up the report. Now I can see what's going on in here. Now I'm going to go over to where it says View All Members. That's the tab you're going to select, and you'll be able to see the different tabs that are categorized. There's the All tab, Active, Unsubscribe, Bounce, and Archive. Now, obviously in here, I do not have any unsubscribes, which is a good thing, of course. But if you did, this is where you would actually click on to get that report, okay? But I do have some bounces, so why don't I show you how to do it from here, okay? So I'm gonna click on Bounce. And I've got 3 bounces, so that means that obviously these emails are not going through for whatever reason. So I don't want this left in here. And what I'm going to do is I am going to delete these people. Okay, I do delete my bounces. I don't waste time with them. I'm going to go ahead and clean them up. The best way to do this, okay, watch carefully. We can do a select all, or we can click one at a time to delete these unsubscribes or bounces. All right, so I'm going to do the select all, right? Get all the people. Now above here, you'll notice that these tabs just turn purple. They're activated. So let's see what our options are. If we select action, we have archive and delete, set custom field value, copy members to another list, change status. We're going to select archive and delete. Now, this pop-up window is here for a reason. It's going to let you know, are you sure you want to do this? Because it's saying you just selected all 3 members. Do you want to delete the members? Say yes. Now, after you've done it, it says here's what's going to happen. The member will be deleted from all members from the list, and this will affect the campaign reports and statistics, of course, right? They'll keep all the totals and everything that has been logged until the deletion time. If the member doesn't exist in the other list, then will not be counted in the billing. This will affect all related features like segmentation, preferences, automation, etc. In campaign statistics, I will not see the email addresses anymore. You won't see that information, and this action cannot be undone. It will be done forever, right? The data will be gone. We're going to delete the members. Just like that. See that? Gone. But are they really gone? Well, let's go to another list and clean up another one just for exercise, right? Let's go back to the steps, go back home, watch what I'm going to do, audience, email lists. Now let's go ahead and click on openers. I've got a lot of people in here. Let's see, any unsubscribes? No, but I do have 2 bounces in here. Let's clean these guys up, right? We're going to go to view all members. We're going to click on the bounce tab. We got 2 of them. We're going to select them. There's the 2 purple tabs. Let's click the first one. Delete. Yes. Delete member. Gone. Let's go to the next one. Keep practicing. This is how you get good, guys. All right, we're going to go to, let's go to our clickers. Let me see my clickers. Any unsubscribes? Nope, nothing there. That's good. Let's go over here. Email list. Nope. And you can easily tell if you have unsubscribes. You see this category right here? This will tell you, right? Like, that's another bird's eye view that you could see it. Now, are these unsubscribes that you just deleted completely gone? Well, here's the second part of cleaning up your unsubscribes you didn't know, okay? you need to go to the More tab. You need to drop this down and you're looking for the suppression list. Now we're going to select that and look at that. Look where they're hanging out. These are all your people you deleted. See how they're still hanging around? Okay, you do not want to be billed for these people, right? They're not paying their rent. So what you want to do is select all, go to the two purple tabs under suppression list, and now click on delete. Now what does it say? Yes, I want to delete all the members, okay? Perfect. Now we're going to delete everything, same details. There we go, delete. Gone. No more. That's it. That's how you delete them, okay? If you have any questions, let me know below this video if this was helpful, and I will see you on the next tutorial. If you'd like to see more videos like this, just comment below what you'd like to see me do next on the next MoveSend tutorial. My name is Guzman, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.